Hello, I'm Sandeep and I'm going to give a brief overview on this ebook about Ruby regular expressions. This book features plenty of examples and exercises. Most programming languages support regular expressions as part of the standard library. If not, you can usually find a third-party solution. The string class in Ruby supports a variety of methods to deal with text. So, what's so special about regular expressions and why do you need to learn it? You can view regular expressions as a mini programming language specialized for text processing. Parts of a regular expression can be saved for future use, analogous to variables and functions. There are ways to perform and or not conditionals, operations similar to range, repetition, and so on. Some common use cases for regular expressions include sanitizing a string. For example, to check if it matches password rules. Filtering and extracting portions based on an abstract level, like alphabets, digits, punctuation, and so on. Qualified string replacement. For example, only at the start or end of a string, only whole words based on some surrounding text, and so on. The introduction chapter focuses on the basics of using the match and substitution methods. You will also learn about modifiers and how to reuse regular expression literals. At the end of these chapters, there is a section for exercises. These questions will help test your understanding of regular expressions and its features. There are three types of anchors: string anchors, line anchors, and word anchors. For example, you can surround characters with \b to match only whole words. Alternation allows you to specify multiple patterns. For example, to check if a product's color is green or blue or red. If there are common elements between them, you can use grouping to form tensor patterns. The .metacharacter helps you to match any character. Quantifiers specify how many times a portion of the regular expression should be matched. There are plenty of features to extract and work with matching portions. You can use the match method to get the matching portions as well as locations of these portions. There are several global variables related to matched portions. For more sophisticated processing, you can use hashes and block form to obtain replacement strings. Character classes will help create your own custom placeholders. For example, you can use AEIOU within square brackets to match vowel characters. You can also invert this set. There are predefined sets to match digits, white spaces, word, and hexadecimal characters. You can reuse portions matched by capture groups via backreferences. For example, you can capture a word character and backreference it immediately to find repeated word characters. Lookarounds will help you to match text only if some other condition is also satisfied. For example, digits only if it is followed by a comma character. You can use modifiers to change aspects of regular expressions. For example, the I modifier to ignore case while matching alphabets. There are several provisions to deal with Unicode input. And finally, some curated resources are provided for further reading. Hope you will find this book on Ruby regular expressions useful. Happy learning!